Hello, my people. Today we'll be talking about Owerri, and also we'll be talking about the three main projects that has improved the lives and real estate, basically everything about Imo State. So we'll be talking about the MOU that the governor signed for production, transmission and distribution of electricity, and also the installation of night landing facility in Sam Mpakwe International Airport, and the groundbreaking ceremony of the Afrex Bank Quality Assurance Center. Egyptian-Nigerian partnership formed for electricity production, transmission and distribution in Imo State.
Our mission is to create an economy that will be robust enough to take care of all of us.
On Monday, 3rd June 2024, Madco Group, specialized in energy contracting and industrial solution, has signed a memorandum of understanding MOU with the Nigerian government of Imo State to develop the entire electricity network in the state.
Involved in the generation, transmission, and distribution of power to our people. Therefore, we went into a partnership with an Egyptian company to set up Orash Electricity Company of Imo State. And our covenant is that we must have power 24/7.
In terms of improving the state of the infrastructure in that area.
The installation of Airfield Lightning Facility (AFL) has helped Sam Mpakwe Airport, which is one of the biggest cargo facility in Nigeria.
The strong political will, strong leadership, backed by capital from Africa, capital and innovation, represent a powerful force and our best chance as a people to achieve economic transformation.
This is their second project in the whole Nigeria, and I believe this will actually make a change in the economic and growth of Imo State.
To ensure that these projects are accomplished. That's why I'm taking it personally.